Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a million different places? Bank accounts here, credit cards there, investments, who even knows? That's where personal finance apps like Mint come in. They aggregate all your financial data into one dashboard, making it easier to track your spending, set budgets, and achieve your financial goals. But have you ever stopped to wonder who's behind the curtain making this magic happen? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the story of who owned Mint and how it became the financial management tool we know today. The early days, a spark of innovation. The story of Mint starts back in 2006, a time when online banking was starting to take off. Aaron Patzer, a visionary entrepreneur, saw the potential for a tool that could centralize all your financial information. He created Mint.com, a website that aggregated data from various banks and financial institutions. This was revolutionary. Imagine a single platform showing your checking account balance, credit card debt, and investment portfolio, all at a glance. The power of partnerships, Yodlee steps in. Now, aggregating financial data is no easy feat. It requires secure connections with all these different institutions. Here's where Yodlee, a company specializing in financial data aggregation, came to the rescue. They partnered with Mint.com, providing the secure technology to connect users' accounts safely. The big acquisition, Intuit, enters the game. Fast forward to 2009. Intuit, a giant in the personal finance and tax software world, think TurboTax and QuickBooks, recognized the potential of Mint.com. They saw how perfectly it complemented their existing offerings and decided to make a move. Intuit acquired Mint.com for a cool $170 million. This acquisition marked a significant turning point for Mint. Intuit's embrace, growth, and new features. With Intuit's backing, Mint received a significant boost. They gained access to vast resources, allowing them to expand their user base, improve their technology, and introduce new features. This is when Mint.com transformed into the Mint we know today, a robust personal finance app with budgeting tools, bill reminders, and even credit score monitoring. The curtain closes, the end of an era. Now, here's the twist in the tale. In a surprising move announced in 2023, Intuit decided to shut down Mint. The official closure happened in March 2024. This left many users scrambling to find new ways to manage their finances. The legacy of Mint, a pioneering force. While Mint may be gone, its legacy lives on. It was a pioneer in the personal finance app space, paving the way for the many budgeting and financial management tools we have today. Mint's innovative approach to data aggregation and user-friendly interface set the standard for the industry. So, who owned Mint? For most of its existence, Mint belonged to Intuit. However, its story is one of innovation, partnerships, and ultimately, a bittersweet conclusion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.